Hi friends, welcome to Timing Python series. In this video, we're going to talk about setting the figure size of a matplotlib plot in inches. So in this, we are going to use the fixed size input of the plt.subplots function to control the figure size of a matplotlib figure. So these two items which are given here is width in inches and height in inches. So using this fixed size input of plt.subplots function, we can explicitly control the size of the figure instead of the default figure size of matplotlib plot. Let's take an example and try to demonstrate this. So I'm going to take a blank folder. I'm going to open it with VS Code. Yeah, now my VS Code is open. Now I'll create a new file. I'll just name it index.py. So now I'll first import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Alright, now I imported matplotlib.pyplot module into the plt variable. So let me take some data to plot. So I'll just write x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'll take y equal to something like 1, 4, 2, 3. So let me try to create a canvas to plot the data first, right? So I'll just write figure comma axis handle equal to plt dot subplots. Alright, so now I've got the figure handle and the axis handle. So now then I'll plot some data into it. I'll just write axis handle dot plot of x comma y, and then I'll write plt dot show so that I can show this plot to you guys. So this is the code, guys, just 3 lines. So let's try to run this and see how the output looks like. So yeah, this is the output. So basically I've just taken some coordinates and I've plotted it on a matplotlib plot. So this is the default figure size. So if you want to explicitly set the figure size while doing this plt.subplots, I can give an input to this function called fixed size, and here I'm going to give the width in inches and height in inches. So suppose to make it something like absurd, so I'll just give very small width like 3 inches and I will give some very big height like 12 inches. So now I'm specifying that the matplotlib figure should be 3 inches width and 12 inches height. So let me try to save it and run this. Now you can see the figure size, we can control it using this input. Suppose if I want to change it the otherwise, I'll just write figure width is 12 inches and height is 3 inches, and if I just save it and run this, you can see I've got a plot something like this. So I mean, why do we need to do something like this? You might be requiring this explicit control on figure size, maybe in case of creating reports. Maybe you want the image size to be the same thing so that it can fit in your Word file template. This is some of the cases where you want to use this explicit figure size. Let's export this figure as a PNG file. So for that I will just write fig.savefig, and here I'm going to give the name of the file. I just write test.png. Okay, so now basically I have plotted the plot, but instead of showing, I'm saving it as a PNG file. So let me try to save it and run this. You can see I've created a test file called test.png. So you can see now I've controlled the image size in inches, and if I just change it otherwise, like I keep width as 3 inches and height as 12 inches, and if I just save it as test1.png, and if I run this, you can see I've got the test1.png here, and you can see I've controlled the image size here also. So basically you can create images of your desired height and width using this fixed size, and these images can be used in your reports for the future use. So this is one of the most used case for this fixed size input. So guys, that's it about using fixed size input to control the height and width of the matplotlib figure. You can see I've created a blog post on controlling the figure size using the fixed size input. I have given the source code for this example also, so that you can copy paste in your computer and practice with it. So please be sure to check out this blog post in the description of this video. Hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for watching.